So in today's video, I am back with another Boxycharm sneak peek. I told you guys on Monday I knew as soon as I edited, uploaded, scheduled, and released that video, I guaranteed we were gonna have more sneak peek spoilers. So your girl is back. We're also gonna talk about add-ons, important choice date, all of that stuff. If you guys are curious about my lipstick, makeup, all of that stuff, I'll talk about it later in the video. But before we jump in, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. We're here to have a good time, unbox makeup, talk makeup, play makeup, all of that. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, let's just go ahead and jump right into important date. Mark your calendars for January 11th. It's this coming Monday. This is when you're going to be able to jump into your account, make sure you are logged in, and you're going to be able to make your choices for your base and premium box for February. I do not know yet what those choices are, but as soon as those are released, you know your girl's going to come back. I'm going to go ahead and talk about everything, let you know what my choices were for my box and everything like that. Now, after you go ahead and make your choices, because as we know, or if you are new, you may not know, Boxycharm does have different subscription levels, I like to call it. So we're going to make our choice for the base, which is a $25 a month box, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in there, or you're going to make your choice for the premium box, which is $35 a month, and you will receive at least $175 worth of goodies in there. We're just going to focus on those boxes today. There is what's called a Luxe box, but we'll talk about that later in another video. Let's just focus on those two. So like I said, January 11th, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's when you're going to be able to jump in there, make your choices for February. A lot of you guys said that you absolutely love the fact that you can jump in, make your choices for both boxes if you do have both, or one or the other, and then start your shopping for add-ons, because that's the time that after you make the choice, you do get to do a little bit of add-on shopping. So I'm on Boxycharm's site right now, and just a quick little review of some of the items we are going to see that are going to be available for add-ons, which I don't have the price yet, but we're going to see Marc Jacobs Beauty Coconut Glow on the Go. So these are their highlighters. I'm not for sure about the one particular item. It says it is, I think, the coconut, it has the highlighter, and then it has a coconut face primer. Have you guys tried that? Because when it comes to Marc Jacobs, I love Marc Jacobs. I love all things high-end. Like I told you guys, we need to start a hashtag Boxy Made Me Bougie. I love all kinds of expensive brands, and when it comes to add-ons, that's when you get to do some shopping, save a ton of money. It's a better deal than like the Sephora VIB sale. So I will be stocking up. Do I need to? No, but as we know, it's a judgment-free zone. So there's that. You know, shopping makes me happy. So the Marc Jacobs Beauty Coconut Glow on the Go set is going to be available. We are also seeing the Kosas 10-second liquid eyeshadow available in the Hank and Henry cream blush stick. Moving on, we're going to see the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrate Vitamin B3 and Vitamin C Serum. My mom is obsessed with Kate Somerville. Again, Boxycharm got her onto the whole Kate Somerville line. I absolutely love the Exfoliate, so I'm hoping that we do see that. Moving on to some hair care, we're going to see, and I'm not for sure if I'm saying this right, Vor, a Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil, and some tools. We're going to see the Luxe Bronze and Glow set. I will tell you guys, I actually used one of my Luxe brushes today. I love the Luxe 504 large angle brush to apply my cream blushers. I know I said I'd be going over it, but let's be honest, your girl always forgets things. I have one of the little milk cheek oil makeup, whatever, milk makeup cheek thingies on today. This one specifically is in the shade Solar, the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. That's what this is. And if you want a really good dupe for the Fenty Beauty Angled Cream Blush Brush, this Luxe 504 brush, which is in this set, very good. And it's a dupe. because I call it a dupe because what you're gonna pay for this whole set I think is even less than that one Fenty Beauty brush. Just letting you guys know. Matter of fact, I actually returned my Fenty brush that I had because of this brush. I was like, girl, you already have one in the collection. Yeah. Okay, so those are just some of the sneak peeks we are seeing as far as add-ons go. Don't get me wrong, you guys, there's gonna be a ton more. A ton more. Like, I need them to open it up and close it really, really quick because they've been keeping that stuff open a little too long. Okay, so again, like I said, January 11th, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So let's go over to some new sneak peek spoilers that we have. Quick little recap. Let's talk about Base. Base, $25 box. You do get to customize the one item. Just a little reminder what the choices were: the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, the Laura Geller Duo Highlighter, the Lifestyle & Company Reset Mist, which is a facial mist or body mist, as well as you can use it on your bedding. The Ace Beauté, this is the bronzer palette. We have seen this in the past, but this was a variation in the past. So if you didn't receive it, you have the option to receive it now. We have the Beauty Creation Esmeralda, I think is how you say it, 2 palette. Again, this was something we've seen in the past, but it was a variation, not a guarantee. Not everybody received it. The Persona Cosmetics Duo Brush, I really like this. It is a wonderful brush, whether you are trying to contour or use the other side to either highlight or to do underneath the eyes. You're gonna like it. The Avient, this is a micellar water. I personally chose this for my base box, and I'm really pleased with all of the choices. And from what I can see from Monday's video, you guys were really happy as far as the choices went for the base box as well. Then I told you guys that we're going to see the Pharmacy Deep Sweep. This is a 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. Now, I didn't explain this well, but this is a variation item. This was not something that you could choose. So you are either going to see the Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleansing Toner or the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Either one, I can guarantee it's going to be great because, as we know, Pharmacy is a great skincare line. Now, we've got some more boxy spoilers for the base box, and I am really, really excited about these. It's a hard choice. Not that you get to pick. It's going to be one or the other. It's going to be a variation. But we will see the Ciate London Velvet palette, which is a really pretty palette. I'm looking at it, it's neutral with some like purpley berry tones, a pop of gold in there. Really pretty. And I want to say, I think this is like a new release for Ciate London. I don't think this is on the Ciate London website just yet. I could be wrong on that, but I don't think so. So I think this is going to be like a whole new release as far as that goes. Next, we got the Violet Voss Olive You Forever 12 pan palette. This is like the epitome of neutrals with a pop of like this smoldering like yummy green, which I just love. And I want both of these palettes. I'm hoping they end up in add-ons, but I have to say again, Violet Voss eyeshadows, love them. Found them because of Boxycharm. I just think this is a really pretty everyday palette. When I see the Ciate London palette, I'm like, it's beautiful, it's pretty, and it reminds me of like Sweetheart Valentine-y type of palette. Am I thinking I'm thinking too hard, but anyhow. Then we have one other spoiler as far as that goes, and that is by Dr. Brandt. This is the Dr. Brandt DNA. This is an under eye treatment. I like skincare. I love skincare. But we all know, and you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, my weakness is eyeshadow palettes. I don't need another eyeshadow palette. I do not. But the Triple Peptide Eye Cream by Dr. Brandt would be very beneficial. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's one of those things where I know any one of those items would make me very happy, and I would definitely get use out of. I love the fact that, like I said, either one of those palettes, I just think it's going to be beautiful. It's just going to be beautiful. And that's that on that. So moving on over to the premium box. The premium box is $35 a month, where you do receive at least $175 worth of goodies in there. And you do get to customize one item in the box. Now, the choices as far as the premium went was the Fenty Beauty powder. My understanding is pretty much any shade works for a lot of people, whether you're trying to brighten, set, or even bronze up. So as far as that goes, I don't think you could go wrong with any of the shades. And it was a hard choice, because then the other item that you could have chose was the Laura Mercier Caviar sticks, which are like huge OG. They've been around for a while. It's kind of like the whole start of the whole cream eyeshadow thing that we have seen that has just, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of been like an evolution, you know what I mean? So, but it's always been an OG. Like I told you guys in Monday's video, if you guys watch a lot of people's Sephora VIB recommendation videos, you always see the Laura Mercier Caviar sticks in there, because they are just a quick grab and go type of dealio. So we do have another new spoiler when it comes to the Boxycharm Premium, and that again is Fenty Beauty. Now, if you guys remember, we have seen in a lot of surveys, which are the surveys and quizzes are always sent at random. It's not a guarantee, but we have seen the Fenty Beauty mascara, which I've heard wonderful things by a lot of people, and not by people only that got it in PR. So I'm super excited to try out this mascara, because as you know, your girl likes to call herself a mascara connoisseur. Not really. I just really love mascara. So anyways, excited to see that latest sneaky peeky. Now, as we know, there is a palette by OFRA Cosmetics. I have it right here. I did a dedicated video with this palette. Everybody will be receiving this palette, and you guys told me that this is actually being sold on OFRA's website. So if that's the case, and you guys want to save 20%, I think you guys said it was $39, use code HOTMESS. It's an affiliate. I'll let you guys know. You guys know I keep it real. It is an affiliate, but it is going to save you 20%. So if you don't get the premium, but you really want to get your hands on this gorgeous palette, go over to OFRA Cosmetics, pick it up. It's called the Good to Go palette, and it really is a great on the go palette. Like I said, dedicated video is already up on my channel as far as that goes. Everybody will be receiving that. The next item we know of is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Again, this is another one that I've heard a lot of people talk about, and I am curious to try this out. So that is what I have for you guys so far. I want to know, what are some brands you want to see for 2021 that you want Boxycharm to bring? I want to see, personally, I want to see Tower 28, which we have been seeing that in some of our surveys. I'd love to see some more Natasha Denona. Thinking off the top of my head, I don't know, but Viseart. I have my Viseart palette on today, mixed with some of my Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. Oh my god. So that looks like it's going to be the latest update, I'm sure. Once again, as soon as I get this edited, uploaded, scheduled, all of that, there'll probably be more, but don't worry, I'll be back. I also received this box. I do pay for the boxes as well, so I'll be coming back. I'll be doing an unboxing, playing in makeup and all of that. So again, curious about what is on my face as far as my eyes go. Like I said, I have the Viseart Neutral palette that we received in our premium box last month. The shimmer you see on my eyes is the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. This is such a gorgeous palette. I absolutely love it. I actually, because of last month's base box having the Glamnetic lashes in there, I did go ahead and pick up some of the Ardell magnetic lashes. I just have the really soft dainty ones. If you guys can see right here, they're cut in pieces. That's what I have just on the edges, because as you guys know, I got like the really dramatic lashes in my base box last month, and I really liked them and I chopped them. But even to have them on the edges of my eyes, I was like, whew, whew, that's a little much for me. So I went ahead and picked these up, and then I just used the Glamnetic, the glue I just used that with the Ardell and it worked perfectly. As far as what's on my face, as far as foundation, I have the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromatic Tinted Glow Hydrator. This is a really nice foundation. Now, it's a little too dark for me, so I don't want to hear that I don't match. I already know. Thank you very much. I'm not leaving my house. But I do have this shade. I think it was 41. Yeah, 41 light medium on. I did pair it with my Tarte concealer to lighten it up a little bit, and I really like it. It's definitely hydrating. I think if you have really oily skin, I don't know how much you're going to enjoy it. I have normal to somewhat dry skin, and you can see the shine coming through. So I think you're gonna have to be careful if you do have a little bit of oily skin. This is an up to 24-hour glow and wear time. It has kombucha and marula oil in it, and it's a vegan formula. So Urban Decay actually sent that over my way, so thank you, Urban Decay, for those items. On my lips, I just have the Real Her I'm Confident pencil. This was the one, I think it came in a duo with one of our Boxycharm past boxes, and I paired it with the MAC 626 Whirl. It is definitely a darker matte lipstick, and I paired it to lighten it up a little bit with, okay, I don't want to hear about it. She's been used, she's been loved, and I'm not gonna let her go just because I lost the lid. So this is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural. I actually got it at the Dollar Tree, so yeah. Anyways, guys, that is everything that I have on for the most part, other than, you know, blushes and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, let me know, what are your thoughts on these sneak peek spoilers? Are you excited to see more? I can't wait to see what is in our January and premium boxes, like the full variations. Like I said, January 11th is going to be when you make your choices for February for your base and your premium box, as well as you can do a little add-on shopping. What are you looking for? Because I'll tell you right off the bat, I am looking for the Kate Somerville Exfoliate and probably those eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, I know. Anyways, guys, I'm hopping off for now. I've done way too much chit-chatting, but until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.